Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us relate, transcribe, and sound the following words together. So follow me as I open up the slashes now before the transcription. And remember, word transcription is not meant for only students and pupils. It's good for everyone. It helps to make our brains work better. This is birth. Okay? Birth. And this is gift. And this one is man. And this one is happy. And this is celebrate. And this is G. And this one is food. And this is cake. And this is people. And this is day. I'm done. Okay, close them out quickly so we can sound them together. All right, let's go. The first one is birth. Birth. Ensure you are sounding your TH very well. Sound the TH very well. This is birth. Birth. Gift. Gift. Man. Man. The same sound E. Man. Man. Happy. Happy. Celebrate. Celebrate. Je. Je. Food. Food. Cake. Cake. People. People. Day. Day. Okay, I'll go over it just once more. Birth. Birth. Gift. Gift. Month. Month. Happy. Happy. Celebrate. Celebrate. Je. Je. Food. Food. Cake. Cake. People. People. Day. Day. I hope you're relating them as we are sounding them together. Thank you for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video.